Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ManyCam on Discord. If you don't have ManyCam installed yet, open your browser and search for ManyCam download on Google. Go to the official website and download it from there. I already have it installed, so I'm just going to open it. I am using the guest version for this tutorial. So that it's working, I will add a color source inside ManyCam. Now I will minimize it and open Discord. In Discord, go to the settings and then click on voice and video. Now scroll down until you find the camera section. From the drop down menu, select ManyCam virtual camera and click on test video. As you can see, ManyCam is now working perfectly with Discord. If you want to remove the watermark, you will need to purchase the full version. You can also set ManyCam virtual audio as your microphone in the voice settings if you want to use its audio features. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.